So I'm going to be showing you how to create a Facebook chat bot in this video. Facebook chat bots have helped me make a lot of money, and their open rates are insane. So if you're a marketer, please pay attention because this can be an essential tool to helping you build your audience and monetize it. Facebook chatbots are absolutely extraordinary. The open rates of these messages are through the roof, and I'm going to be showing you in this video how I set up my Facebook chatbot using a program that's free called ManyChat, and you can check out the pricing right here. It's totally free up to a certain number of users. Yeah, so it's free. Check this out. Unlimited broadcasts. You can have multiple sequences, growth tools, comments tool, etc. So it's a really cool program that allows you to create chatbots for free, and that's what we're going to be using in this video to create our Facebook chatbot. So what is a bot? Well, basically it's when you're on a Facebook page, you can message somebody, or you can get automated messages if you opt into the bot. I'm not going to do this right now, but let's set up our bot. Okay, so here we are in my ManyChat account, and what you do, as you see, I have about 8,000 active subscribers right now. Now, to set everything up, you want to go to automation. Okay, so I'm just going to click right there, and this gives you the main menu for messages, but we want to actually go to welcome message right there. So when somebody comes to our channel and clicks message us, we'll just enter in our welcome message. So my welcome message is a little GIF. I play a little GIF which says welcome. It's not showing right now, but I say, hey, first name. And what's great about ManyChat is you can actually put people's names or whatever in the actual messages. So let's click edit flow, and I'm going to edit this area right here. So if I wanted to say, hey, first name, last name, I could say, hey, I just select, as you saw, I selected this little icon right here, and I'm going to select first name. Just say, hey, first name. Okay? That's pretty cool because what that does is it personalizes it. It makes it so that the messenger bot, is actually saying the person's name from their Facebook profile. This is really cool. It kind of freaks people out, but it's very effective. And we would see what this looks like over here on the right side. As you see, it's this weird man that says welcome. And it says, hey, John Crestani, nice to meet. Are you a member of my online marketing course, Internet Jet Set? So I'll just kind of delete that part. As we see, I haven't updated this in a while, but we can see that we can change things. We can even add in emojis if we wanted to right here. Okay, so I could add an emoji, and you can do all sorts of really fun stuff and make it really personal. Other personal things you can do is you can actually put, like their gender or their locale. I could say, how's the weather in their city. Again, this can really freak people out. You're saying, oh, hey, John Crestani, how's the weather in Los Angeles? Whoa, I'd say I thought I was talking to a robot, but that's how advanced these robots are. Pretty exciting. You can really take things to the next level depending on what you're doing. You can use their language, what time you saw them last. Then what we would do is we would click publish up here, publish. And there we go, we just published our updated welcome message. Now, after you've created your welcome message, you may want to have a follow-up sequence. You may want to continually send people some messages about what's going on. And in that case, you could do one of two things. You could click broadcast, and you could click up here and send everybody a message whenever you feel like it. So everybody who's on your messenger list, you could simply click this, create broadcast, and start typing your post. Hey, you, haven't seen you in a while. What's up? How's life? Have you subbed my YouTube channel yet? YouTube channel, yet it's got some great content. So you could do something like that and send everybody in your list a broadcast and update them. Whatever you want them to do. Maybe you want them to subscribe to your other social media channels. Maybe what you want them to do is buy a product. Maybe what you want to do is give them tips or tricks on how to lose weight. You know, you could do whatever you want. We're not going to go too deep into copywriting. What we are going to go into is how to grow your ManyChat sequence. So right here, you'd go to growth tools, okay? And you would click that, and you can get a number of ways to post your, to get people on your list. Now, what we would do is we would start with over here, new growth tool. And we'd want to click up there to get the different ways we can get people on our messenger list. Now, if you have a website, you can create a few different things. If you have a website, you can use one of these overlay widgets. Again, this is if you have a website, okay? And you can preview what this would look like if it was on your site. Imagine this is your website, and here's your website widget. Click Send to Messenger. Let's click back out of that. Or let's say we wanted a page takeover. This widget would take over your page to get people to subscribe to Messenger. There are other things you can do. You can create a button, you can create a box on your website, but if you don't have a website, what you could do is you could simply have people post a particular comment in Facebook. You could say, hey, comment the word "let's win," and that person who commented on your Facebook page will be subscribed to your Messenger list. That's pretty cool. You can also create a landing page, so you can have them host the landing page for you. You would select your information, click next, 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 and here is your landing page URL. Now what you'll see is I have a website that actually allows me to send somebody to Messenger, and it's hosted on ManyChat. That's pretty cool, right? What I prefer to do is I actually prefer to use their Messenger reference URL, this URL, just to get a link that I can post up so that people can join my ManyChat thing. There are other options as well for more advanced users, but this is the easiest and I found the most straightforward. Okay, and I can enter people into a particular sequence. Let's just say I enter people into my 60-day sequence, or I could enter people into my Facebook 4-day funnel. Click next. I click save up here, and now I have my link. Boom. And there we go. That will move people along to subscribe them to my Messenger, and I'll be able to contact people just by sharing this link and say, hey, sign up to get my daily tips and tricks to losing weight, or sign up for this link to get my daily woodworking, to get a free woodworking plan every single day, or sign up for this link to get a free training guide on every week on a new way to start an internet business. Whatever it is that you are selling as an affiliate marketer, as a marketer, it's very easy to use Facebook Messenger to your advantage. The open rates are about 90%, okay? Every message you send gets read by about 90% of people. So it's a very effective channel that's very untapped, and there's a lot of money to be made doing that. Hope this helped you out. Let me know in the comments if this helped you out. Just type in, dude, you rock, or like, yes, I'm going to implement this in my business. Love to hear. Give this video a big fat like. And also, if you want to learn more about how to make money online or affiliate marketing, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you can be aware of when I do live streams and giveaways of my 6-week training course, the Super Affiliate System. Talk soon. Have a great day.
Hey, this is Ryan Hildreth, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a profitable chatbot in under 20 minutes using ManyChat, okay? So right here, I'm logged into my ManyChat account, and basically this is a platform where you can build a messenger bot. Now, if you don't know what a messenger bot is, it's basically a hybrid form of email marketing. But with much higher open rates. As you can see, I'm getting 75% to 96% open rates, meaning my customers that have subscribed to my messenger bot list on Facebook, okay, are most of them are reading my my broadcasts. Most of them are reading the information that I'm sending out about my business. And why is that important? Well, if your customer isn't hearing from you, they're probably gonna go to some other brand, okay? So this is a great way to kind of complement email marketing with messenger marketing, okay? I combine the two so that I'm everywhere at all times. My business is in front of customers' faces on their email, on their Facebook, right? Facebook Messenger, and they could have quick communication with me. So right now I'm gonna show you the 3 things you must need when you set up your ManyChat account. So go ahead, the first link in the description will be a link to ManyChat if you want to set up your account for free. They also have a $10 a month pro plan, which I have 3 pro plans. They're only $10 a month, and you can have thousands of subscribers. So go do that, and then you also need a Facebook page for your business. So if you haven't set that up, go to Facebook, go to the right hand corner right here, click the drop down menu, click on Manage Pages, and you can go ahead and create your page, okay, your business page. Now go back to ManyChat, and the first thing I want you to do is set up a welcome message, okay? So if someone comes to your business Facebook page, a message is gonna pop up from your business Facebook page, and when someone replies to that message, they're going to be opted in to your ManyChat bot, okay? That's most important. In order to get someone on your subscriber list, they must engage with your ManyChat bot. All right, so that's exactly how I got 466 subscribers on this particular page. And it's very easy to get that amount, okay? This could take a couple days of Facebook ads or just generating free traffic from your current audience. But what I want you to do is go here to automation, okay? And you can go to your default, or I want you to go to your welcome message, okay? And you can say, whatever you'd like. I have one right here that says, hey, I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Check out my free 6-figure online business training here. Click below to get started. And I have a register now button, okay, which goes to a webinar that someone could sign up for. Now you can do the same with your business. You can lead them to maybe a product that you currently have. And this is a default message, so someone could get to know more about your business. Maybe give them a free training, a free discount voucher, a coupon to your business, right? Just so that you get them engaged, right? And once they click register now, this will lead them to my website, all right? Now you could change it up. You can also say, hey, how may I help you? Do you have any questions? Ask below. So when someone actually replies to this welcome message on your Facebook page, they will be opted in to your bot, okay? So that's most important. I would have some sort of welcome message, whatever your objective is. Do you want to get them to subscribe to your bot, or do you want to lead them to your training or your website, okay? So you can determine what you want your welcome message to be, but I like to have that. Now, also you need a default reply. So when someone actually replies to your bot, and you're not there, you want to have like kind of a default reply. So I would change this up. I would go to, I would edit this, and let's go ahead and edit the flow. Let's do that. All right, so we're going to have a default reply and say, hey, and then you can click this little button right here, first name, and then the fallback will be there, okay? So if Facebook doesn't recognize their name, it would just say, hey there, or hey, their first name, okay? So you put that, hey, I'm away from the desk right now, but I will touch base with you in under 24 hours, okay? So you can have that default message. Now, someone's gonna get this when, and you can get rid of this button as well. I will go ahead and delete that, all right? Or you can add the button, just press, and the button title will be okay. All right, and send message, and then we can go here, edit this message, and then see you soon, okay? Boom. All right, so when someone, ask a question. This is going to be a default reply, okay, so that you can get back to them, and then they can press OK, and it's going to say, see you soon. All right. So that's also another thing I like to have on my Facebook business page, a welcome message and a default reply so that we're engaging with our customers. Now, this is nice because, with email, it's much harder to do this unless you have some very, advanced autoresponder that can, reply to people. There's really no way to do this with these types of open rates. So those are two things that you must have. Also, you must have a growth tool. So we're gonna go here to growth tool. We're gonna go to new growth tool. And we're just gonna create a basic messenger link. So we can include this link on a button on our website. We can just send this link to our current email list to get people to subscribe to our messenger bot, right? So that we have them on 2 lists. But I want you to create a messenger URL. So we're gonna go here, all right? And basically, this is just going to be a link, right? This is just going to be a link that you're going to send out. I'll show you after we create it. But we're going to go in here and we're going to edit this message. All right. And when we send this link out, right, people are going to click on it maybe to get access to us. We want to welcome them, okay? So we can say, welcome, first name. Thank you for reaching out. How can I assist you? Ask your question below. All right. So we want to get them to take an action and actually ask a question. And when they do that, that's going to opt them in to our list. Okay. We also want to have a quick reply that says unsubscribe, just in case they're already subscribed and they don't want automated messages. We don't want to get a spam complaint. We want to be compliant. So we must have this unsubscribe message. So type in unsubscribe, start flow, action, and unsubscribe from bot. Okay. So that's how it's going to look. It's just going to be a nice little message with an unsubscribe button if they do wish to unsubscribe. Most of the time, people will have like a PS. If you want to unsubscribe, press stop. That looks kind of, spammy. I like to just have a simple, clean button that someone could click if they want to unsubscribe, okay? And then once you have that, you're gonna go ahead and publish. I like to preview it first. They're gonna send you the message to your Facebook profile so you can preview it and then go ahead and publish. So now you have a welcome message, a default reply, and your growth tool to where you can embed that on a button on your website and get people to start opting into your messenger bot list. This is very powerful because then you could go ahead and create a sequence like here under automation. Okay, we're gonna go under automation and you go to sequences. Check out this sequence that I have, right? 153 subscribers, 87% open rate. Okay, we're just gonna click on this, take a look at it. Right, I have a follow-up message 1 hour after they subscribe to my bot. I have another 1-day message after. I have a message that sends out 2 days after and a message that sends out 3 days after. So you can essentially have a sequence that goes out, sends messages 30 days straight, promoting your products and services and adding value to that customer. So this is a very crucial tool. If you don't have a ManyChat bot, I highly recommend setting one up today, okay? Click the first link in the description, set up your ManyChat account, and then if you want to kind of boost your subscriber list, start running Facebook ads to your messenger bot. And if you want to learn how to do that, run profitable Facebook ads, I'm going to link a video right up there that you can watch. Okay, this is one of my best Facebook ads tutorial that I don't charge for. Okay, this is totally free. You can watch it up above. And go ahead and like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.